Good day, and welcome to another training session of the CAFP website. Okay, so today we are going to be looking at the setting up an event on the Ottawa branch website. Currently, I am logged in as Lisa Franklin, and so I'll just show you how to do this. So when the administrator is logged in for branch, they're going to see an admin menu right here. What they do is if you want to add an event, you would basically click on this right here, add an event. Okay, and of course this create a branch Ottawa events comes up. Okay, so you would put the name of the event in here. I'm going to put new event, E-V-E-N-T, and then you would browse if you wanted to add a picture and then upload the picture. The body, you can type whatever you want in here. This will be called new event, E-N-T, and you can do that. If you wish to, you can change this to a full HTML, which, if you notice, it gives you a few more icons here where you can actually edit the content. If you need more space, just drag this down, and then it would give you more space. So you scroll down, and then here's the event date. So you would hit this, a calendar pops up, and let's say we wanted to use the 27th here, the 27th here, keep the dates the same. If you want to change the time, you would click on here. Let's change this to 12 o'clock, and then you would go down here, and let's say it's over at 3 o'clock. Okay, then you would pick location. You would probably have, for his time zones, you'd probably pick Toronto here, and that would be okay. Location, I'll just put location here. You would type, if it's at a hotel or something, you can put it in here, or the street address, you could also do that. These two images right here, just leave those. There's already images by default, and so you don't have to touch those, and then you would save it. And it would save. Okay, so there's the event. Now, the only situation here is if somebody wants to register for this event, they can't at this point. So what has to happen is the administrator would have to actually enable the event. So you can post an event, and so people can see it, but they can't register until it's enabled, which is a nice option if you want to do that. So you would click on Manage Registrations, and basically you click on Settings. Okay, it should come up. There we go. So you would enable the event, and this gives you the capacity to put the number of people who would be attending the event. 0 is unlimited. Let's say you had like 50 people, and you would just put 50, and then after that, when they register, once the 50 are taken up, nobody can register after that. You can schedule the event here, the day it opens and the day it closes, which would enable people to only be able to register between these two dates. So you can also do that. Another thing you can do here is you can send a reminder. You click on this, and then click a date to remind people. Like we actually scheduled this for the 27th. So you could say, I'm going to let people know like on the 24th. So what happens if you click on this, you put a time in here, and then you can type a little note in here referencing the reminder, and basically save it. And what the system will do, you can just forget all of this other stuff here, just save this. What the system would do is basically know, and it would send an email to all the people that are registered on for the event. Okay. So that's basically how it works. So what we could do here, we could just register for this event here. Let me just see. Yeah, we'll just do this. Now, Lisa Franklin, she's logged in. So when you log in, a member logs in. If a member's logged in, they can automatically be scheduled for the event. So I'll just put A. And I think you can put a company name in there. I think she's going to get sent an email. That's the only thing. Okay, she'll get an email sent to this address. saying that she registered for an event. Okay, so that's that. So what happens also, if we go back to the Ottawa branch, and click on this, and let's have a look in here. Let's see. Then we can see schedule events. We click on this. Let's see what happens here. Okay, there's the new event. I just posted it. So there it is. There's the date. Okay. So I click on that, and there it is. And then if I click on manage registrations, let me just see what happens here. There's Lisa. She's already registered for the event, and I can view this, or I can edit, or I can delete it. So that's pretty cool. And then if you want to, if you have a lot of these in here, if just say for some reason you want to send an email to all the people that registered, you can just click on this. And basically what will happen here is this little box will pop up, and it'll give you put a subject here and put a message, and then you just send it off, and it'll go to all the people that registered for the event. And that's basically how it works. Okay, so that's great. That's it for now, and we'll have another training session later. Thanks so much.